In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coinbase Advanced in TradingView. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to trade your Coinbase Advanced account directly from the TradingView charting interface. This is really useful if you like using TradingView's tools for technical analysis and want to execute trades without switching back and forth between different tabs or apps. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account in your browser or desktop app. Once you're logged in, head over to the main charting area. At the top of the TradingView website, you'll usually see a button or a menu item labeled Chart. Click that and it will open a full trading chart where you can add indicators, draw trend lines, and customize things the way you like. This is the place where you'll actually link your broker or exchange. Once your chart is open, look toward the bottom of the screen for a tab called Trading Panel. Depending on your layout, it might be collapsed, so if you don't see it right away, move your mouse down to the bottom and it should appear. Click on Trading Panel to expand it. This area is where TradingView shows you all the supported brokers and exchanges you can connect to. When the trading panel opens, you'll see a list of available connections. If Coinbase Advanced doesn't show up immediately in the first row or two, look for an option that says Show All Brokers or See All. Click that to display the full list. Now you can scroll through until you find Coinbase Advanced. Once you see Coinbase Advanced in the list, click on it, then choose the option to connect. TradingView will open a new window or pop-up asking you to authorize the connection. You'll be redirected to sign into your Coinbase account and grant permission for TradingView to access your trading data and place orders on your behalf. Carefully review the permissions, then confirm the connection. After you've successfully authorized it, go back to your TradingView chart. In the trading panel, you should now see Coinbase Advanced as your connected broker. From here, you can open an order panel, place trades, and manage positions directly on your chart using your Coinbase Advanced account balance and orders.